Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing an oil change on this 1999 Yamaha Blaster. The things you're going to need to do this oil change is some oil for it, obviously, and then you're going to need a funnel and a 3/8 12mm ratchet and an oil drain pan. Alright guys, so on the bottom of the engine, there's your engine oil bolt. And you just break that loose, make sure not to strip it, and then use your fingers to finger it out, and then pull it out and don't drop it in the bucket with all the other oil that comes rushing out. Alright, so we're gonna get on it. Make sure you got a good grip. Alright, hold on, I gotta have more pressure. Alright guys, so I pulled this out, cleaned it up real good, and then cleaned the bottom of the engine right up in there. Now we're gonna put the plug back in. Just thread it in. And then make it snug. Don't go super tight or else you're gonna end up stripping it out next time. Alright guys, so now it's time to fill oil. So we take our oil cap off. This guy right here. Now we're gonna fill it up. It calls for 650 milliliters. So we'll start on that. Gotta pull this off. Trying to get this guy right here. Okie dokie. Now that we got that out, we're ready to go in. So we're going to go to 400 and see what we have from there. Okay, so got a ways to go. Almost there, not quite though. This is on the ground, so it's level. And it looks like we should be at 400. So that should be it. Thanks for guys watching. We'll get a couple more videos, how to do some other stuff. See you guys later.